The goal with this activity is to really loosen up the hips and the trunk. Here's what you're going to do. You're going to need a surface to stand on. A 2-inch book will absolutely suffice. What you're going to do is you can put one leg on the book. The other one is going to be out on the ground, and you want to be a little bit wider than hip width apart. What you're going to feel on this is you should feel both glutes, glute medius, a little bit of groin, a little bit of quad. First step, you want to get a nice hip tuck, make sure the abs stay chilling like Bob Dylan. From here, what you're going to do is you're going to push your foot in, your right foot in this case. So my weight's on the inside heel and the big toe. I find it helpful sometimes to even lift the outside of the foot off the ground. Then what you're going to do is you're going to push yourself through that part of your foot over to the leg that's on the book, like so. And I'm going to have my foot, knee, hip, and chest all lined up over that side. If you get it right, you're going to feel that outside hip working. You're going to feel a little bit on both sides. And I got Quad City DJs going right here. Once you're in this position, you're then going to take your hand, talk to your own hand, reach forward with the opposite hand. I'm going to have this arm back like this. You're going to hold position, make sure you're not too hinged over. You're just going to get a nice little squat and breathe. As I breathe, I'm going to reach this arm forward. This arm's going to go back. One thing you want to be mindful of is the reason for this book is to create this oblique angle at the hips like so. So as I'm pushing, this hip's dropping low and I'm scooping my opposite hip high, and you can see that oblique angle in the hips as I perform the move. So from the front, it's going to look just like so. Tuck, foot in, push yourself over, foot, knee, hip, chest, breathe. And that's how it's done. Give it a shot.